Imani yewe jewe me, yewe jewe me, yewe jewe me, Ashimuno jewe me, yewe jewe me, no jewe me, no jewe me, no jewe me.
Video of extremely tall girl performing traditional dance thrills men, many send dating proposals. A tall Nigerian girl has gone viral on social media after showing off her dance moves on the TikTok app. In a lovely video, the pretty lady danced sweetly on the road while revealing her cultural background to fans. Netizens who watched the video on TikTok showered accolades on the lady over her beauty and boldness. A pretty Nigerian girl has impressed netizens on TikTok with her native dance moves. A pretty Nigerian girl has impressed netizens on TikTok with her native dance moves. Proud mother's graduation dance. Elsewhere, a loving mother could not contain the joy of witnessing her daughter graduate from university. The Cameroonian mum, in a display of love and pride, danced during her daughter's graduation, and the video captivated audiences around the world. Adorned in a vibrant yellow kitenge outfit consisting of a skirt, blouse, and a head wrap, the Cameroonian mother attended her daughter's graduation ceremony at an American university. The video, shared on TikTok by her daughter, Hilary Diva, quickly went viral, spreading joy and admiration for this beautiful moment. "When your African mother is proud of you, Serena Venus," Hilary captioned the video. While her daughter stood in line to receive her degree, the mother, overcome with emotion, slowly rose from her chair and began walking towards the podium. As her daughter's turn approached, the mother's anticipation grew, and she started ululating, a traditional African vocal expression of joy and celebration.